Sicon's drill-through functionality makes it easy to view a large variety of information within one area. In Sage 200 Manufacturing, to view a stock item, you would need to navigate away from the works order and search for the stock item details from the relevant feature. In Sicon Manufacturing, you don't need to leave the works order screen to view component or finished item details. To use the drill down functionality, right-click on the stock item to view the stock item balances, details, history, and movements. Right-clicking a component can also allow you to change the columns and data displayed on the works order. For example, you can show free stock and stock on order, units of measure, and component costs, to name a few. You can also view alternate items set against the stock item. Selecting the alternate item replaces the component on the works order. If the component selected is a batch or traceable item, right-clicking displays an option called Allocated to Batches to identify which traceable items have been used within the build. If you need quick access to lots of information and various processing options within one place, Sicon Manufacturing has you covered with this useful feature.